The ICC has terminated the case against William Ruto and Joshua Arap Sang. The ICC judges say the case was fraught with witness interference and political meddling. Kenyan's Duncan Haemba reports the ICC's focus may now shift to those wanted for intimidating witnesses.
That means that...
At exactly 5:45 p.m. on Tuesday, 5th of April 2016, landed the big announcement from the International Criminal Court with regard to a 6-year case that Kenya's Deputy President William Ruto and journalist Joshua Sang have been facing.
Chamber 5A of the International Criminal Court decided by majority, with Judge Herrera Karabucha dissenting, that the case against William Samoei Ruto and Joshua Arap Sang is to be terminated.
Trial Chamber 5A bench, led by presiding Judge Chile Osuji, gave 3 grounds in their conclusion to no case to answer.
According to the majority, this decision does not preclude new prosecution in the future, either at the ICC or in a national jurisdiction. This decision may be subject to appeal.
However, Judge Herrera Kabusha appended a dissenting opinion, stating that charges against both accused should not be vacated in the present case and that such outcome departs from the legal standard established in the trial chamber's decision of 3rd June 2014.
This is not a matter of acquittal because the judge introduced the concept of a mistrial. And the majority of the chamber, having concluded that the prosecution did not present sufficient evidence on which a reasonable trial chamber could convict the accused, also concluded that the judgment of acquittal was not the right outcome, but only vacation of the charges and discharge of the accused.
And now it seems ICC guns are trained on 3 Kenyans whose warrants of arrest were issued a while back.
Recall that the judges issued 3 arrest warrants against suspects linked to Article 70, which is clearly the issue of attempting to corruptly interfere with protected witnesses. So such a statement could be linked to that possibility that we think if there's a mistrial, there have been obstacles to a proper prosecution of this criminal case. Therefore, the prosecutor brought charges against certain individuals she considered may have interfered with protected witnesses. So 3 of them, and the suspects are still wanted by the court. The court encourages and invites the Kenyan authority to hand over those suspects to the court.
The trial of William Ruto and Joshua Sang opened on 10th September 2013. Whereby the two had been accused of crimes against humanity, including murder, deportation or forcible transfer of population and persecution, allegedly committed during the 2007-2008 post-election violence that rocked Kenya. It is a sigh of relief for Deputy President William Ruto and journalist Joshua Sang. However, the ICC registry says mistrial does not necessarily mean acquittal, perhaps hinting that the prosecution might as well appeal the decision. Duncan Haemba, KTN News.